Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Coach unboxing, and this item, I had this for, I think for a few months. It was just sitting in my closet and I just get a chance to take a look at it. So anyway, I got this from the Coach outlet. And I got this in such a great price. And let me introduce the newest addition to my new Coach collection. It is no other than, there she is. It is a Coach mini Rowan crossbody bag. I think this is part of the spring collection. I am not sure about it. That's because I did not keep on track for an outlet collection. And when I saw this, wow, I think it's gorgeous. And let's take a look at the detail of this bag. By the way, this is the mini size. They also have, I think, the regular size, and it also has all those flower embroidered to it. So let's take a look at on the left side. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's gorgeous. I love the combination. I mean, look at the combination of all the colors, those flowers right there. Gosh, it's very nice. So this one is made up of jacquard material, and then it has, and they just embroidered the flowers in it. They embellished with the embroidery. I think this one is very well done right there, and I really think this one is so cute. They have the regular size, and I find it a little bit too big for me, but this one is so cute, and this could fit my iPhone Pro Max, and I think that's more than enough right here. And we have a leather at the bottom. Okay, let's see how many variations of flowers in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 5. It's so pretty right here. And then let's take a look at the side. We have another one. I think this one is the same as, yeah, this one is the same as this one right here that has been cut off. And then this one is pretty much, it's different. I'm not really sure. Yeah, it is different. Yeah, I think so. So I think there's 6. So let's take a look at the back right here. I think there's 6 variations of flowers in here, because this one is pretty much the same, and then the front has been, there's only 5. I'm a little bit confused. Yeah, there's only 5 right here, and then there's 6. 2, 4, 6. So right here at the back shows a lot more compared on the front. And then this one right here, I love the yellow. I mean, the yellow really stood out. The beautiful color. It's so pretty. I just love all the flowers out here. The attention of detail is actually precise. I love it. It's so pretty. And then the size, the mini size, I think this is the cutest. They also have SLGs and other stuff, but I am more interested in this. I think this one is the cutest. So right here, I mean, the structure is the same as, you know, as you guys can see, the Rowan. And then the dome shape right here. Right here is actually pretty. I mean, I think, yeah, the piping is actually looking great. I didn't see any sort of issues on the piping. Sometimes they're a little bit distorted or misaligned, but this one looks pretty. And then we have the hang tag over here. It's so cute. And then we also have the top handle, which is made up of leather. This has a gold hardware, and then the beautiful stitching right there. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I think this is the cutest, one of the cutest bags that I've purchased this year. And let's take a look at inside. So this has a crossbody strap right here. So yeah, this one was still attached. And yeah, I'm just so busy and I just didn't have much time really to film. And so this is the crossbody strap. I think it's very nice. I mean, what do you guys think about the combination of, yeah, I think it complements perfectly with the jacquard, the color of a jacquard, and then the leather trim. I think they complement perfectly. And then right here, the zipper pull is actually overlapping in the corner that allows you to open it wider. And this is how it looks inside. And some of those information that they have. And then this one has a card slot. Oh, I got the receipt. I even put the receipt inside. So this is the receipt. And yeah, it has 2 card slots, and that's pretty much what's inside. I mean, it's pretty roomy. And then it is actually lined right here with, it seems like the lining is nylon. I'm not really sure. I don't know what sort of fabric this is. And then that's pretty much what's inside. And yeah, this could fit a lot of things. And it is so cute when you wear it as a crossbody because it is tiny. And also you could wear it with a top handle. But I don't think I could put it in my arms. I think I could. Yeah, I think I could. I could just slip it right through my wrist. But it's a little bit tight. So I think this is gorgeous. I mean, the flowers, the gold hardware, the color, the taupe color. I think this is such a gorgeous piece. I really do. And I got this in a pretty good price. I'm not really sure. Maybe I paid less than $100 for this. So yeah, this is the newest addition to my Coach collection. And I am actually seeing quite a few outlet bags that I wanted to add in my collection. I'm not really sure. I think it's a new launch that was in January 1st. I saw some of them that I really like. So anyway, this is, oh gosh, I can't get over how cute she is. I mean, look at those flowers. Definitely, they are stunning. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.